In this video, you're going to learn how to create a new subflow and how to manage them inside of the flow overview. As you can see, every chatbot starts with a main flow. This is considered to be the starting step of your chatbot. So this could be the onboarding or the welcoming flow, where new users get to interact with your chatbot. To create a new flow, you can just press the top right blue button plus new subflow. From here, you will be able to select 3 different kinds of subflows. The first type is just the channel specific type flow. So it's a regular flow. In this case, it's Telegram. But if you're building a messenger bot, for example, the Telegram will be replaced with Messenger. It's a regular flow where you can build anything you like to. A workflow is basically a systems flow with backend processes where you can add or remove tags or maybe add a user towards a certain sequence and that kind of thing. With the function flow, you will be able to prevent creating repetitive flows, like asking for certain emails. You can just send them towards the function flow. And inside of the function flow, you will have a certain element that will allow you to, after this function flow has finished, to be able to let the user return back to the original flow and continue exactly from the point where they left off.